Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, guys, I'll be focusing today on this unboxing, and it's of the Kolanka USB 3.0 card reader. And of course, the guys over at Kolanka were nice enough to send this product over for review, and I'll be trying to do my best today to show you the merits of this device. Alright, so as I said before, this is a USB 3.0 card reader, and the model number is the CR-46, and this is a USB 3.0 version. You get 4 slots, and it supports all type of cards such as SD, SD8C, MMC cards, RS, MMC, you name it, and it goes into a bunch of these. So all I'll do here, guys, is just put the information up front and center for you to check it out yourself. It supports a 5 GB transport speed, and that's with the USB 3.0. In other words, if it's not USB 3.0 port, you will not get the higher speeds. System support, you can of course check out Windows Vista, Windows X, Windows 10 and above. And of course, it's made out of aluminum and plastic. It comes in this general blank box. And of course, we're just going to go ahead and open this up. Right away, guys, you can see that inside there's this plastic. First time opening this up. And we're going to remove this. There you go. And there's a pamphlet inside of here. Let's first check out the paperwork, and it gives you the Kolanka, and it gives you their website, or should I say it leads you to their Amazon store front. You can check that out for yourself. I'll have the link below, and it says review us, and it basically runs you through reviewing the Kolanka product on Amazon and so on, and we're going to check that out later on. Next, you'll notice over here as well, here is the USB reader, and I like here that it provided you with this USB type C, and of course there's this other connection here, which is the 3.0 I think. So you'll connect this via your USB-C type C port on your laptop, and if your laptop doesn't have a USB type C port, this would not work. But of course, most modern laptops actually come with one, so that shouldn't be an issue. And the reader itself, as you see here, it's aluminum, and on the base is plastic. Check out the base, guys. And I like that it has this brush aluminum look. You can see the brush steel, or brush, should I say, aluminum here. There is the device name there. Clearly it's visible. It says Kolanka, which is nice. And again, let's check out the front here, or let's check out the back before. You can see here it says CF, which is a type of card, I think. It's going to connect right here. There's the side, there's nothing, there's the LED right there, and of course there's the connection point. I'm just going to do that right away. Let's look at the length of the cable. I would say decently long, very thick, so that's something I noticed right away, thick, and it's always appreciated when you get these thicker cables. Alright, you can see the entire thing here, the USB-C end, just in case you do not have that port. You can always use the general USB 3.0, which is the indicated by the blue color right there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reconnect this over here. Nice adapter, I'm sure it works on other stuff as well. And here you go. So I'm just going to plug this in. Just make sure it's set in the right way. And there you go. So everything is able to connect. So let's look at the front of the device. Again, guys, this is the base. So I said this is the top. All right, so let's get into it. So here's the front, and of course you have the SD card slot, which is the standard SD card, which is the huge larger one. In case you have a smaller one, I think you should be able to use a adapter and then place it in here, so that shouldn't be an issue. It should work with the very small ones that your phone use. With the adapter, I do not have an adapter lying around here, but you should know what I'm talking about. Over here you can see that it supports MS, and it says micro SD over here, or M2, and of course I didn't see this, so it does support the micro SD right over here, so you do not need an adapter. It should still work, but of course you can always use the adapter over here as well too, so you do get a bunch of flexible options. So what we're going to do now, guys, is I'm just going to plug this into the laptop and see how it all works. Alright guys, so I was able to find a micro SD card. This one is a 32 gigabyte, as you can see here. It does say Toshiba 32 gigabyte micro SD card 8C, and of course I have several of these lying around, and of course I'm going to check out over here the device. So switch around the camera to this side of the room. As you can see here, guys, I have everything set up. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in to the side of the laptop. Let me just angle this, plug it in. Alright, so I didn't hear anything in terms of a pop-up. And there you go. So that's the pop-up. It took a little while to be read, but if I give this a little time, I should be able to open up the device manager. So I'm going to bring that up. Alright, so check this out, guys. As you can see here, this is the laptop. It does show only the local disk, so I'm just going to put in the micro SD card here just to test. And where do we go here? I think it's from here, so I'm just going to put this in. Notice the card right over here, so I'm just going to shove this in all the way in. There you go. So it's just basically shoved in, and once you do that, you can see it's showing the card. It does show I have only 247 megabytes of 28 gigabytes. I have no clue what's on this, but of course I'm just going to open it up quickly, and I have RC files, and I think this is for my security cam. Yeah, and there you go. It basically recorded video and audio all the while, and this was for security footage. So all of this is security footage that I have here. But as you can see, guys, it works just fine. Everything is perfect so far, and I must say that it's hassle-free. Drivers are automatically found. Next, you'll find also that it's made from a sturdy construction, mix of aluminum and plastic, so you shouldn't have problems there. It gives 3 handy options, including a 4th one at the back for connecting almost any known type of card. So this is all-in-one USB 3.0 card reader that thinks about all possible connections or connection types you'll need to connect to just about any rare card you'll be able to find, which is always a nice thing. So it has a variety of inputs, giving you a lot of options. So that's the first good thing about it. 2, you get a very flexible cable that's very thick. It also comes with the flexible USB Type-C or USB 3.0 connection that you can connect on your laptop, add to the flexibility again. And of course, it does give great power delivery with 3.0 USB connection. And as you saw a while ago, easily installed. Next, it reads so fast. So if you have a very fast card with a fast connection to your laptop, you should have no issues, as all is working fine. And I must say I love this thing so far, and I'll be keeping it around for using when I'm getting anything from my SD cards. And I must say the guys over at Kalanka have done a very solid job. So guys, if you want this product, you can always check it out for yourselves. I'll have the full write-up on this product over at the main website, which is blogtechtips.com. Otherwise, guys, I'll just wrap up this review. So as we continue the review, I don't have to check every connection, but so far what we have does work fine. Any improvements that I would make? So far I don't think so. It basically thought of everything, including fast connections, multiple options to connect SD cards, and of course everything works fine with your laptop. So you just plug this in. We work with a desktop as well, so you'll find that there are more than enough options for just about any person. So if you do a lot of recording or work with a lot of gadgets, so you have SD cards of all types, this is the one for you. I highly recommend it. Alright, so I'm just going to cut this video short here. So this has been Ricardo Gardner, as usual, guys, with another set of tips related to technology with a full review of this product. It's all the same, but until next time, bye.